All right. Good evening, everyone. So this is the end of term project that I want every one of you to do. So I've already sent this particular file to the Telegram group. I'm going to send it later also on this chat as well. So, but what I'm expecting you to do is to go to this particular link. Hold on, I'm going to show you now. 1 minute. Okay, so let me go to the link. Okay. Okay. So if you go to this link, you're going to see only this snippet. So what I'm expecting you to do now is to copy the content, everything in this particular file, and you paste it into this particular workspace, right? Then you answer this question. So like that, I'm going to copy that. And okay, let's need to copy, right? And then you would remove all these ones, okay? And then paste what you've copied. And you've got this here. So then you start to answer the questions. Yeah. So if you run it, you're going to get error because this particular lines has got some errors, which I want you to fix anyway. So, but one thing that I want you to do, task 1, is for you to print some characters from your name. So I've just given an example here, right? So you just go down and you can say, oh, maybe your friend name is equal to John, right? This is just an example in string. And then you want to print some characters, okay? So you can say print friend. So I want to print only 1 and 2. 1, then 2, only 2, okay? Okay, so you can print that one like that. That will be the answer for number 1. So let me comment this one out so that I'm able to run it now. So let me copy, print out. Yeah, so because that's the error. So let me run this. As you can see, it's actually bring 0 or in there. So that means I've only printed 1. If you're going to say, let me print 2 more, okay? So that's what I want you to do. Yeah, just print any characters or characters from your friend's name like that. The second question, right, is for you to extract kids from coding for kit by kit. Yeah, I've given an example here. So, and there's something that you need to put here. If you copy and paste like that, okay. So let's say I copy and paste this one now. So remove the comments, okay. And there should be something, right? Maybe 1, 2, 4, or whatever that is. So I don't want to tell you, I want you to find out. Actually, there should be some numbers there, actually. Yeah. So if you run this, so I want only the kits. Yeah. I want you to extract only kits out of this. So this is bringing OD, which is that one, right? O and D. Where's that? Yeah, maybe it's this one. Yeah. So I want you to actually, yeah, extract this one or this one, anything. Yeah. So that's what I'm expecting you to do in that assignment. So the next one, you need to convert your name to uppercase. So this is a sample, right? So convert your own name to example. So you can, what you can do, you can uncomment the one I've commented and yeah, change it. Okay. So that's one thing that you can do. Then the next one is to convert your name to lowercase. Okay, this is also an example, but there's something still missing here. So you need to put that in there. So number 5, right? Split your full name into first name and last name. I've given an example as well. So you need to use what are you going to use to split it anyway. So, and task number 6 is to convert an integer to a float, and also convert a float to a string. So how can you do that? So you put the answer here. Task number 7, right? You need to add your name and your last name. You need to print them together, but you need to add them together using a concatenation operator like this one, right? So what I'm expecting you to do will be something like, let's say you go print, then your name, let's say is DG, then something like plus Emmanuel, right? Something like that. So you can print out, okay, let me just print, okay. So that is what I'm expecting you to do. That's an example, okay. Okay, so task number 5, how do you add comments in Python? So what I'm expecting to do, put a comment there and explain. We add comments by how? I guess by adding hashtag, right, like that. Okay, so that's just an that, so then let me, so I can put this in there. Okay, so then number 9, task number 9, so list 5 different data types in Python. So you just list them, okay? So answer, add your answer here, okay? So what you need to do now, you put what are the different data types. So you have string, you have integer, so on and on. I need 5 of them, okay? So number 10, task number 10, correct this error, okay? Okay, let me just correct the bug, okay? In the code below, okay? So there's some bugs in this code, right? Which I'm expecting you to do. So I'm okay, there'll be prices for first, second, and third price, actually. So so that is it. Okay. So after you've done this, you need to print it, okay? You need to run it, okay? So run it and ensure that it works. Then copy your code, right? And paste it back into the sheet here, okay? Paste it back here like that, okay? And that's it. So, and if you want to get extra mark, which I think is good, right? You can, okay, let's see, why is that not printing? Okay, there's nothing to print anyway. Okay, that's fine. So, okay, so hold on, let me. Okay, so let me print that. Okay, so after you've done what you need to do, you copy your code, and also you can copy your work as well, the output, copy the output as well, and copy that and put it at the end of the work. Okay, and you can say this is the output. And paste it. Okay, that's the output that I get on this one anyway. So once you paste it, then save the file. Okay, so once you save the file, so it actually say, then after that, you go to this particular link, okay, and upload your file, okay? So I'll go to that link now. Okay, so enter your name, put your details in, everything, you fill the form, and you click on upload. Yeah. Okay, let's say I have finished now. Say my name is Deji.
Mr. Deji.
Yes, 1 minute. I'll come to you 1 minute. So I'm attending the graduation. You put your age. So I think, okay, 18 plus. Then your number, your parents' number is 07903986716. So your parents, let's say, is DG. Okay. And your email address. And you put the, yeah. So then you upload the file, okay? So let's go. Upload the file and put your experience. Log the your parents can put a feedback. Okay. Then after that, you click on register. Or yeah. So and that's it. You kind of submitted it. Yes. Okay.
So is it only when you're done doing your work, then you're allowed to do register?
Yeah, because you need to supply your file actually, right? But you can fill the form without putting the file in. Okay, you can fill the form as many times as possible. Anyway, so if you want to come for the graduation, you can fill the form even if you have not actually finished your work. But I want everyone to be able to do their work as well, so you can use the form to
I think I'm the only one so far to finish my work, I think.
All right, cool. No problem. That's fine. So yeah. So if you already kind of finish your work, just submit it. But if you have not finished your work, you can fill it to say I'm coming, but I've not yet finished my work. Or so when you finish your work, you can upload your work. Okay.
Mr. Deji, what day is the graduation?
17th.
Yeah, thank you. 17th. Yeah, 17th. I think is it not there? Okay. I will ask the developer to put it there. It's 17th. Yeah, 17th of December. Yeah, it's in the next 2 weeks, I would say. I think, yeah. Okay, all right, cool. Thank you. Any other question